Example 14.1 the Mungsara. Assume that a population consists of 5 students. Statistics के population group P living organism non-living organisms उनकी मुंग analyze को study को जो एक specific statistical parameter मुंग find out को mean show variance show standard deviation show. Now 5 students population and the marks obtained by them in a certain statistics class are 20, 15, 12, 16 and 18. Normally population large with the whole, like small the 5 the 100 students की दिशी 1000 students की दिशी the way statistical parameter study को लपारा उम्या sample लो ठीक शो मार्क क्वेश्चन को दादे draw all possible random samples of 2 students when sampling is performed without replacement. Sampling दो तरीके दी population based without replacement or with replacement. Firstly mung without replacement को study को mung तवर सरसोई without replacement sampling के मung sample mean marks हम calculate को for each sample. Solution के first of all मुंगा population size गुरु population size मुंगुरु population के सुमला students दी 5 population size to 5 sample size sample के सुमला students involved चाह मुंग study को दागे marks mean बरो बासु no 2 students दी ठीक दे दाल कर ली sample size 2 शु no all possible random samples the combination formula the 5 combination 2 5 population size 2 chide sample size 5 factorial 5 minus 2 factorial 2 factorial 5 factorial chide 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 na 3 factorial lies into 2 factorial 5 into 4 20 or 2 factorial 2 तो बराबर दे 20 divided by 2 10 मतलब ये केस के विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट केस लदा फार्मूला दा all possible random samples मुंग सरबा 10 राजी